Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Our eyes shine out naturally without making contact through the magic of self-apparent wisdom. Once we have in this way settled ourselves into the uncontrived, our ideas will shine out as being truly self-arising. Those who crave do not have the methods of self-aware wisdom, and do everything out of lust and hatred. They will fall onto the Vajra needle and be removed from the awareness of the bodhicitta. In this wisdom that is distinct from any entity, we do not dwell in an area or among a class. We do not practice anything that is free from lust and hatred, so there is no need to talk about our practicing lust and hatred. We will surely fall and be parted from the family of the Mahayana. So it will be impossible to join the family of the free. Anything we do through the practice of the luminosity of wisdom will appear to be the bodhicitta. We will attain the state of an awareness of the embodiment of the Dharma of clear light without looking for it. We will encounter the meaning of self-luminous wisdom. We will know that samsara is the Buddha's pathway. We will blaze in the light of self-originating wisdom. Unsought blessings will come to us of themselves. We will hold the treasure of the dominion of the sky, and dwell in the light that illuminates itself. We will use an aware compassion that has no position to be pervasive like the sky and appear everywhere. We will attain the objective of an uncontrived calming of ourselves, then mount the level of the wisdom guru. This wisdom of greatness is totally perfect, so we surmount the levels in a single moment without traveling over them. To set the awareness of yoga apart, we talk about stages and paths, while material things are the self-appearance of wisdom. There is no traveling over levels and paths. The things we link up with the inconceivable, and the ways that we hold on to them, have been taught for methods to guide those who live. In reality, the sky of the awareness of clear light, the guide for self-awareness, the embodiment of the Supreme, the mother of the dominion of secrets subsuming all things, is not clear. This uncontrived heart essence is pure from the primordial, but we do not find it. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the 12th chapter, teaching the specifics on practice.